Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. So I hope so you have completed the day 27th agenda that is about AWS IAM service. Yeah, so one of the important service that is also we can say the core service of AWS. Yeah, if you're going to learn that any services before that, you should have the idea on IAM service about users, groups, roles, policies. So all these activities which we should know that. So you completed that agenda. So are you ready to understand this next agenda? Yeah, but before starting this, so if you are following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful to your friends and colleagues, so then please like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 28th agenda that is about AWS EC2 instance. The workflow. Yes, we are in this AWS Cloud journey and day 28. But before that, if you would like to enroll to this course, definitely this is very, very helpful. So to crack that interview, and as well as this entire course is job oriented. It is not just like as the concentrating only on the specific DevOps tools. Yeah, for the DevOps interview, whatever all the concepts that is required, all the concepts has been included with the real-time scenario. But this offer that is 9,999, we are going to give the only limited period, and we are planning to increase that to the 15,000 the coming days. So if you have this interest as a subscriber, so if you'd like to get the benefit of it, is that the 4 nines, that is 9999, the cost price where you will get it, and AI tools are the free, and as well as the daily evaluations are also the free. So all these things you will get it, enroll it whenever we have this offer. But offer has been changed, then it will be 15,000. And if you'd like to enroll it, yes, just ping that 100 or 100 days to this WhatsApp number. So definitely you will enjoy that and you will get the benefit of that, or the whatever the cost which you are going to spend it. It's each and every penny worthy. If you're really looking about that scary to start it on this DevOps and the cloud. Yeah, so that's about some small the enrollment information. So don't miss this opportunity. Once it has been changed, then they don't get it the normal price. Yeah, so day 28th agenda. So that is, if you try to understand it as we are understanding, this is about AWS EC2 instance. Yes, let's look into that. What are the important concepts which we should know from this section? Yeah, so in this today's agenda, you are going to learn it about it. So what is this EC2 instance? Yeah, EC2 instance, maybe if you have some idea on that, yes, this is a virtual machine, which we can say that. But that virtual machine, to understand that what all the components that is required, yes, it has been clearly explained comparing about computer components with the EC2 components. So if you have this non-computer background or if you have the fresher, easily to understand that the computer, we know that computer components comparing with the EC2 components, then you will get it easily whenever you are launching the EC2 instance. Yeah, it has been explained in that way. So comparing that computer components with the EC2 components, then how do you launch the EC2 instance? And what are the different SH clients that we use it to connect it? And yes, the important thing is pricing models understanding and importance of the security groups. Yes, whenever you are asking about the system, yes, understanding the security groups. So all these points that you are going to have it in this today's agenda. The very, very interesting. So initially you are using that virtual box and the Vagrant to launch the virtual machine in our physical, the server that is a laptop. Now you are using the cloud to launch the virtual machine. Yeah, so we are going to that the step by step as a plan. It is not just like directly starting about the EC2 and okay, launch like this and connect it. No, you are getting about it, the each and every point from the on-premises environments and to the cloud. Yeah, so you will enjoy this session definitely. So go ahead, this agenda. But how do you access this agenda related? The section is so it has been given the forum link, that is AWS EC2. You will get it one video and one lab guide. Yeah, step by step lab guide you will get it to launch the EC2 instance. Then how do you connect it and how do we use that SH clients and all that. And this video, so it is having that approximately around 1 hour 40 minutes. So clearly it has been explained. So launching the EC2 instance and comparing with that all the components which are required to launch it. And that's about this section. So we are going to get that. So all the details in this section. Yes, please follow that and try to complete this agenda. Yeah, that's all from this section. And we'll see this in the next section. Thank you. Thank you all.